So very good morning to all the students. Today, as I have already discussed, we are going to start with now writing skills. I have proposed report writing today. You have been doing report writing, I guess, since class 6th or class 5th. Fine, but the difference is that in class 6th and 7th, you would write reports on very simple topics. Fine. Being in class +2, you have to be smart enough to manage n number of topics. Any topic can be there. Basically, let me discuss how you can categorize report writing. Basically, there are two types of reports that we will be covering up. First category of report writing will be event based. Any event was organized in any society, in your colony, in school, in college, in university, or at any place. Clear? Event based reports in which any function was organized, any event was there, any ceremony was held, fine, any competition was there. Clear? So in that way, first report writing category is event based. Second category, now talking about the second category of report, which is mainly based on some accident. Reports based on accidents. Clear? What we do is, in first category, firstly we will be doing one each so that it is clear to you the format and everything. First category is event based, so you just note down some value points first. Value points, that the points to be remember, you can say the points to be kept in mind. So I will be asking you to show me your notebooks with the format and with value points. As you can see on the board, I have already given you the extra time in the beginning of this period to note down the format, and most of you have noted down also. Clear? So I will be asking you again to kindly have a look over here on the board. We have report writing. First of all, you have title and byline. Clear? That carries 1 mark. In the title, it can be up to 4 to 5 words. Clear? Single word should be avoided. You're not supposed to use single word for report writing. Like you can write accident. No, it will be a big cross on your paper. You're supposed to write such title because when you open the newspaper, by seeing the heading only you start. If heading attracts you, if heading is alluring you, even then you start reading the news further. So your title should be attractive and it should carry the main, you can say, topic of the report. Fine. Like if in accidental report, it's suppose some camp was organized. Swami Chandas Public School organizes NCC camp. Fine. Means main participant main event was mentioned in the heading. If some accident occurred, we can say train accident near dash jo bhi place hai. Fine. Or you can say you can also write train accident semicolon 15 died, 400 injured. In that way, means it should be the highlight of the report. What should be written in the title. And byline. Byline is, if no name is given, then you will be writing by XYZ or by ABC. If name is given to you, imaginary game or any name is given to you, you will be, suppose you are Anil, you're Anil Kumar, you're so whatsoever name is given to you, you will be writing after the title. Where the title ends from here in between, beneath the title, you will be starting by. B should be in small letters. By, firstly you will put hyphen, then you will write by Anil Kumar. Whatever name is given to you. If no name is given, then only XYZ and ABC. Fine. Then I have divided the content. Content, because my board is small enough, I'm not able to show you the paragraphs. I'm telling you verbally, you need to write 3 paragraphs in a report. Fine. The way you used to write a letter also. 3 paragraphs, always remember. Fine. In first paragraph, all the W's to be answered. It's very easy. W's here means, W here means all the W's. I'm saying W's. Why W's I'm saying? These W's will give you the hint that what to write, what you're talking about, where that event happened and when. All the factual details, date, place and what event was organized, the name of the event, all the W's to be answered in first paragraph, so that when we read the first paragraph, it is clear to us, okay, that this event is all about this thing. Fine. It should be not like lengthy paragraph. It can be up to 4 to 5 lines or 3 to 4 lines. Clear? Then after that we have second paragraph, which is the lengthiest paragraph as compared to first and last. Why it is lengthiest? Because in the second paragraph you will be giving the detailed account of the report. Clear? Detailed account of the report writing. In this you will be writing beta, like suppose in the case of accident you will mention you can name the train, which train, whether it was Shatabdi or some local train, the place where accident occurred, what exactly happened due to the mistake of, you can say, the driver, or the some, you can say, tracks were, you can say path was broken of the tracks, or whatsoever reason is there. So you will mention the details of the accident. Suppose it's the accident between truck and car. So you can mention the name of the person who died along with the age in the bracket. Fine. Casualties. Casualties, like how many people died in that accident. Fine. Then at which place exactly what happened. The person was coming from after attending wedding. You might have read in the newspaper Tribune and Hindustan Times that a couple was coming after attending one ceremony. A family was coming after, you can say, paying homage to the religious place. So that truck, you can say the reason you can give that he was drunken at that time, the driver of the truck, he flew away on the spot, police came. So whatever details are there, detailed account of the report to be written in the second paragraph. If you are having so many details, you can split your paragraph in two also. Means you can write total 4 paragraphs also for 10 marks, for 8 marks, right? Then after giving the detailed account, in the case of accidental, you can write the name and age of the person who died, how many people died, how many people got injuries, data. Fine. Then you can also mention the amount given by the government to the people who died. Fine. When police interfered, police case, जो भी आपके मन में आ रहा है, means detailed account, but it should be very formal, not as if you're talking to your friend. It should be as if you're writing for a newspaper only. Clear? In that way. Place here, place, whatever place is given in the statement. If it is not given, you can write your own city. Clear? Place and comma, then date. Date, word should not be there. Like you will be writing Jalandhar, comma, 5th May 2021. Clear? In this way. So in first paragraph, second paragraph, it is clear. In the last concluding paragraph, now what to be written? In this, you will be giving conclusion. Like many injured people were hospitalized on the spot. People from the nearby village rushed to help. They took many people to the hospital and rescued them on the spot by saving their lives. Fine. And the police is investigating the matter. By the time government has announced the grant of 1 lakh each for the injured or for the people who died or who lost their lives. Clear? You will be just mentioning detailed account, but it should be factual. Don't hook up like you are telling a story. Kahani nahi sunani hai. It should be fact-based report. Clear? And up to 150 words, it's sufficient, like 1 page of your paper. Rather than writing more, be specific what is to be written. Fine. Now, I was just asking you to write down some value points. So in first value point, note down, report should be factual, number 1. But after writing the format, note down the value points, which points to be included in your report. Report should be factual, based on facts. Facts kya hote hain? Like you have mentioned the date, when that accident happened here, when that event occurred, then a time, venue, number of people involved. Fine. In that way, facts should be there so that people can trust you that whatever you have written is true. Clear? Facts should be there. Fine. Then always write a report in third person. Next value point is always write report in third person. We are just having 6 to 7 minutes. Fine. report writing should always be written in third person. This is very important point, beta. Have you noted down the value point? Report should always be in third person. Now, what is this third person? Means you're not supposed to write a report like by using first person pronoun. Like you cannot say I. Fine. You're not talking to someone. Clear? So you're not supposed to write in first person. Clear? You will be writing in event, cultural society organized this camp and NCC camp. 200 students participated in that. Means you're adding data. You're telling in third person only. 10 more volunteers joined to take care of that camp. Many activities were organized. Fine. And third point, write down. Use past tense while writing a report. Use past tense while writing a report. You're talking about third persons, that students, people, participants. Fine, you're not saying I. Though you are asked to write a report, you will not be involving yourself into it. Clear? Third person. Third point is always use past tense while writing a report. There are facts, past tense, and third person narrative. Clear? These three things to be kept in mind. Rest it's in front of you. You can note down the. Now, I have not discussed how to write a report based on the event now. We have discussed how to write a report based on accident. Now event. Suppose annual function was organized in your school. So you will be mentioning that Swami Sanda's 26th annual function celebrated in SSDPS. This is your heading. Clear? Place Jalandhar, 5th May 2021. Then in first paragraph, you will be just mentioning what, where, and when. Right? You will be mentioning 26th या 30th जो भी आपका year चल रहा है 30th annual function was organized in the campus or in the premises of Swami Sandas Public School. Try to be very formal and use embellished language better. Embellished language is very, you can say, heavy vocabulary which is to be used by the students of +1 +2. Clear? Fine. More than 200 students participated in this event, in this eye-catching event. Fine. Then Mr. Ashwani Kumar, Dr. Ashwani Kumar, Dean XYZ University was the chief guest of the day. Fine. You just mentioned the name of some person. It means you're giving data. Fine. You mentioned what and where premises mein hua and what function. Then you mention the number of students participated, then you mention the chief guest and all. Then in second paragraph, you just tell from beginning till end what happened. Function started with Ganesh Vandana or Saraswati Vandana. Students presented the importance of religious, you can say religious or anything you can write that prayers, importance of prayers. Students projected importance of prayers through their act. Fine. They paid homage to Lord Ganesha or Lord, you can say Goddess Saraswati in that way. Every time functions is usually start with offering prayers to God. Then after offering prayers and all, you can start with students of class, toddlers of KG section presented enactment on saving environment. You can connect it with your environment also, or societal problems. Students of participants of various classes presented Bhangra. Fine, it was, you can say, a showstopper of the day was a child of class nursery who showed stunts, or you can say show the fitness exercises to all the audience. Audience was enthralled. Fine, in the past tense because event is done. You will be using past tense only. Fine, audience was enthralled to see the performance of the child. So in that way, keep on after all the ceremonies. Then you can also mention Mahamandaleshwar Swami Shantananji presided over the function. Principal Mrs. Kamaljeet Kaur addressed the audience by telling the achievements of the school. Fine, name the people participated who spoke. Fine, she applauded, she and congratulated all the winners of you can say session. or all the, you can say, prize holders of the session, and also encouraged them to continue the saga of success. Fine. And after that, function ended with the singing of national anthem. In last paragraph, the speech of, you can say, the dignitaries, what they said, how they encouraged, and how the function ended. Fine. And one thing I missed, like more than 200, more than 150 students awarded with various categories like sports, art, reader. In that way, you can just categorize yourself. And academics based positions were also announced. Clear? So if any event is there, if camp there, then environment day was celebrated. So rather than writing in present, you will be using past tense and give the detail in such a manner that the listener or reader, if you are writing a report, if I'm reading it, after reading, though I have not joined that event, though I have not I witnessed that accident, it should be written in such a way that scene is crystal clear in front of me. Got it? That report writing should be in that way that reader who's reading your report, he can even imagine that, okay, this happened in this manner, along with data if you are presenting. Here, you should have the art of attracting the reader. That's why you will be getting good marks. Otherwise, if you will be writing just for the sake of writing, then you won't be able to. Now, note down the, firstly, show me your notebooks. If you have noted down the value points, just want to check that my students of +2 are serious enough. Amarpreet is the first one to show the value points. Lakshit, Anmol, very good. Suhani, well done, beta. I'm just checking whether you are noting down or not, or we people are making efforts. Of Manjot, well done. Many others are still showing. Rana Gurjeet, very good. Who else has noted down the value points, beta? It's for your, you are just collecting, you can say, efforts in one notebook, and these efforts are going to help you throughout the year during exams or during tests. Fine, so be serious enough. Vanshika, okay, fine. Means at least if some of you are writing, I'm happy. Clear, I'm happy that my efforts are not going in vain. Very good. Clear, so now note down the statement, beta, that you will be doing as report writing. We'll be doing two categories. First is, as a newspaper reporter, write down, as a newspaper reporter, comma, write a report of a train accident. As a newspaper reporter, write a report of a train accident, comma, the site which you visited. The site which you visited, SITE, site. Write a report of a train accident, comma, the site which you visited, full stop. Your report should not exceed 200 words, fine? So 150, 180 words is sufficient. One page of your paper is sufficient. So data should be there. Each and every detail should be there. The way we have discussed in detail, you will get, I guess, 9 on 10 if you have written beautifully. And if no mistake is there, you use such vocabulary nobody has used, the best version you have given, even 10 on 10 you can score. It's up to you how you score marks. Clear? And writing should be good, embellished language, and follow the norms, all the value points. Then second statement, beta, that you will be doing is Cultural Society of Sunshine Public School. Write down, Cultural Society of Sunshine Public School organized NCC camp in its neighborhood. Write a report on the camp of, write a report on this, on your, about the camp for your school magazine. For your school magazine. You are PV Kapoor. सेक्रेटरी ऑफ कल्चरल सोसाइटी, ये आपका डेजिग्नेशन है. यू आर पीवी कपूर, सेक्रेटरी ऑफ कल्चरल सोसाइटी. फाइन बेटा. So I'm having my next period. Be serious enough. Take your learning seriously. Have a nice day, beta, all of you.